naming Diyos. Maraming salamat po sa buhay at lakas na aming taglay, sa liwanag ng kaisipan at sa pagkakataon maipagpatuloy ang pag-aaral ng mga kabataan. Gabayan mo po ang bawat isa sa amin. Anuman ang bahagi na aming gagampanan, naway maging maayos at matagumpay ang pagtuturo at pag-aaral na aming gagawin sa araw na ito. Patawarin mo po kami sa aming mga pagkulang at pagkakasala. At sa aming paggawa, ikaw po ang aming makasama. Amen.
A pleasant day, grade 6 learners, and welcome to another session here in Valenzuela Live Mathematics 6. I am Mary Faith B. Insigne from Roberta Elementary School, your mathematics teacher buddy for today. As we continue our live streaming session, we are now on the 6th week of the second quarter. Before we start for having a smooth discussion, please follow our norms. First, may I remind you everyone to be polite and be respectful at all times. Don't use foul words or unnecessary stickers or comments not related to what is being delivered by the teacher. Second, as your attendance, kindly type in your complete name, grade and section, subject teacher, and school where you currently enrolled. Then kindly type your answers or questions in our comment box. Lastly, make sure you have your pen, notebook, and self-learning module ready because hand in hand, we will explore the math adventures and fun activities for this session. So, let's begin. Here's the objective of our topic based on the most essential learning competencies. In this session, you will be able to, letter A, interpret and explain grouping, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, or Gemdas rule. And letter B, performs two or more different operations on whole number with or without exponents and grouping symbols. Let's have our warm-up activity. Here's the directions. Simplify the following expressions as fast as you can. Choose your answer inside the box. But before that, kindly tap the heart react if you are ready. Wow, let's begin. For number 1, simplify the expression 2 times 2 times 2. Great job. The answer is 8. Next, number 2, the product of 2 times 2 increased by 5, or 2 times 2 plus 5. If your answer is 9, you got it right. Then number 3, simplify the expression 12 minus 8 plus 3 is correct. 7 is the right answer. For the last number, get the product of 12 and 3 divided by 6, or 12 times 3 divided by 6. If your answer is 6, you got the correct answer. Well done, mathletes, and thank you for responding to our activity. All right. Oops, we unlock another expression. But wait, how do we solve this kind of expression? Do you have any idea? As we can see, this expression has more than 2 operations. In order for us to solve this, we should follow the correct rule, and this rule is called the Gemdas rule. What is Gemdas rule? The Gemdas is the rule that can be used to simplify or evaluate complicated numerical expressions with more than one operation. Gemdas stands for letter G, grouping or grouping symbols such as the parentheses, brackets, and braces. E for exponents. M or D for multiplication or division. A and S or addition or subtraction. But how do we evaluate an expression using the Gemdas rule? We have rule number 1. Perform all the operations inside the grouping symbols, such as the parentheses, brackets, and braces. Rule number 2. Simplify the expressions with exponents. Rule number 3. Perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. This means that multiplication and division can interchange. It depends upon what operations comes first from left to right. And rule number 4, perform addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. Same with multiplication and division, we should perform what operation comes first from left to right. Let's go back with our first expression, which is 7 plus 5 squared minus 8 times 6 divided by the group of 5 plus 7. We will follow the Gemdas rule. The first rule that we need to perform is the grouping symbol. We need to look and find for grouping symbols in this expression. Very good. We can see the parentheses. Therefore, we need to perform the operation inside the parentheses, which is addition. So we are going to get the sum of 5 and 7, and we will get 12. Now, let us copy the remaining expression. The next rule will be the exponent. We need to evaluate those exponents. Here, we have 5 to the second power. It means that 5 times 5, which is 25. Then copy again the remaining expression. For rule number 3, multiply or divide, we need to perform multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. Since multiplication comes first in the given expression, we need to multiply 8 and 6. So 8 times 6 is equal to 48. Next is division. Let us divide 48 and 12. So 48 divided by 12 is very good, 4. Let us copy again the remaining expression. We have 7 plus 25 minus 4. We proceed to addition because it comes first before the subtraction. Let us add 7 and 25. 7 plus 25 equals, very good, 32. Then we have our remaining operation or last operation, which is subtraction. So 32 minus 4 equals, great job, it's 28. Did you get the same answer? Wow, that's awesome. Let's have another example. We have here 8 plus the group of 6 squared minus 3 times the group of 2 plus 5. As you might have noticed, we have so-called the nested brackets, wherein you have the parentheses inside the bracket. So let's follow the Gemdas rule. We will begin with working from the inside of the brackets. So we will solve the innermost grouping symbol first and then move outside. So for rule number 1 states, perform all the operation inside the grouping symbols. So we need to perform the operation of addition inside the parentheses, which is 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Then copy again the next expression. The next rule will be exponent. We need to evaluate those with exponents. So let us evaluate this one. 6 squared is 6 times 6. And that gives us 36. Then copy again the remaining expression. So in rule number 3, multiply. Perform multiplication since it is part of the bracket. 3 times 7 equals 21. Then rule number 4, subtract 36 and 21 inside the bracket. Then 36 minus 21 equals 15. We have one more operation left or remaining here, which is addition. So let us solve 8 plus 15. Alright, so 8 plus 15 equals 23. Very good. Since there's no more operation left that we need to solve, therefore, this is our final answer. For example number 3, we have 18 divided by 6 times the group of 4 minus 3 plus 6. Let us solve this by using Gemdas rule. Rule number 1, perform all the operations inside the grouping symbols. We need to perform the operation inside the parentheses, which is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then let us copy the remaining expression. Rule number 3, multiply or divide. We need to perform multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. Since divisions come first in the given expression, we need to divide 18 and 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Great job! Now, let's copy again the given expression. We have 3 times 1 plus 6. We proceed now to multiplication. So, multiply 3 times 1. 3 times 1 equals, very good. So, we have 3. Then, we have our remaining or last operation, which is addition. So, 3 plus 6 equals, good job. So, the answer is 9. Since there's no more operation left, this is our final answer. Now, it's your turn. Can you solve this one? Try this and comment down your answer. Alright, now let us see if you got the same answer. By using the Gemdas rule, we can solve this. For this expression, there's no grouping symbol and exponents. So let us proceed to rule number 3. Multiply or divide. We need to perform multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. Since multiplication comes first in the given expression, we need to multiply 6 and 10. So 6 times 10 equals 60. Next step is divide. 60 and 5. So 60 divided by 5 and we will get 12. Very good. Then copy again the remaining expression. For rule number 4, we need to perform addition or subtraction as they occur from left to right. Since subtraction comes first in the given expression, we need to subtract 4 and 2, which gives us 2. Since subtraction comes first in the given expression, we need to subtract 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Finally, add 2 and 12, and we will get 14. Since we don't have any operation left, so this is our final answer. Did you get the same answer? Wonderful job, grade 6 learners. Now, let us answer this problem. So the price of a shirt is 100 pesos. Two brothers bought 4 shirts and then shared the cost equally. The store manager gave a discount of 50 pesos on the total price. Write an expression to represent this situation, and then find the price paid by each brother. First, we must analyze the problem. We are now visualizing this problem by using representation. By using the given facts such as 100 pesos, cost of each shirts, 4 shirts, 50 pesos for the discount, and 2 brothers. Since we are going to find the price paid by each brother, we used multiplication, subtraction, and division as operations. We use grouping symbols such as parentheses and brackets so that it tells us that certain things belong together or what we should solve first. If we are going to write this representation as expression, we come up with the group of 100 times 4 minus 50 divided by 2. Now, let us solve this given expression by using Gemdas rule. We will begin with working from the inside of the brackets. We will solve the innermost grouping symbol first and move it outside. So we need to perform the operation of multiplication inside the parentheses, which is 100 times 4 equals 400. Then copy the remaining expression. Next step, we need to subtract 400 and 50. So 400 minus 50 equals 350. The remaining operation is division. 350 divided by 2. And we will get 175. Therefore, 2 brothers paid 175 pesos each. All right, I'm sure you are ready to answer our last activity. Here's the directions. So answer the following problems and type the letter of your answer in the comment box. Are you ready? I'll give you 30 seconds to answer each problem. The first problem is, what is the correct order of operations? The choices are letter A, Jadmes, letter B, Madres, letter C, Gemdas, and letter D, Damjes. Your 30 seconds timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter C, Gemdas. For problem number 2, choose the correct sequence of the operations to make the expression true. So we have 14, blank 7, blank 2, blank 3 equals 1. The choices are letter A, multiplication, addition, and division. Letter B, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Letter C, subtraction, multiplication, and addition. And letter D, division, multiplication, and subtraction. Your 30 seconds timer starts now. Time's up. If your answer is letter D, you got the correct answer. Next, problem number 3. Simplify the expression T4 divided by 6 times the group of 12 minus 4 plus 2. The choices are letter A, 62, letter B, 74, letter C, 86, and letter D, 98. Your 30 seconds timer starts now. Time's up. What is your answer? Very good. Letter B is the right answer. Problem number 4. Lisa bought 8 notebooks at 25 pesos each and 2 ball pens at 11 pesos each. If her money was 500 peso bill, how much was her change? The choices are letter A, 162 pesos, letter B, 178 pesos, letter C, 262 pesos, and letter D, 278 pesos. Your 30 seconds timer starts now. Great job! The answer is letter D. Next, for the last problem, evaluate the expression 10 divided by 2 plus 16 minus 15. Letter A, 8. Letter B, 7. Letter C, 6. And letter D, 5. Your 30 seconds timer starts now. Time's up. If your answer is letter C, you are right. Well done, mathletes, and thank you for responding to our activity. Now, let's remember the rules in order of operations. So we have rule number 1, perform all the operations inside the grouping symbols. Rule number 2, simplify the expressions with exponents. Rule number 3, perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. Then rule number 4, perform addition and subtraction as they occur from left to right. Your participation throughout the session just proves that you are now ready to answer the activities on your self-learning module. For additional concerns and clarifications, your mathematics teacher would accommodate you on your follow-up discussion. And that ends our session for today. Good job, grade 6 learners, for participating and listening to our discussion. I hope you have a math amazing time with me today. Once again, I'm teacher Mary Faith B. Insigne from Roberta de Jesus Elementary School. See you in the next session. Goodbye!